Conveniently located just south of I-165 or the William Netcher Parkway, this desirable Jagoe community includes family-friendly sidewalks and streetlights, as well as a swimming pool, a pavilion, and even activity courts. Welcome to your dream home in Westfield at Stagner Farms in Bowling Green, Kentucky. This energy-smart, two-story Revolution farmhouse exterior is perfect for growing families, with a unique open floor plan with nearly 2,800 square feet of luxury living, 4 large bedrooms, 2 1/2 baths, a 3-car garage, and plenty of storage space. You enter through a large covered porch entry with charming accents to find 9-foot ceilings throughout the first floor and oversized windows to let you bask in the natural sunlight. The open-concept living space begins in the formal dining room, featuring wainscoting and decorative ceiling details. But the upgraded eat-in kitchen and large flexible family room area will likely be the gathering place for family and entertaining friends. The focus of the living room is the deluxe rear vent gas fireplace with shiplap front and sides, stained mantel, and built-in AV niche. You'll love the gorgeous Aristocraft cabinetry in personal choices like this two-tone burlap and white in the kitchen, the 42-inch wall cabinets, leathered granite countertops with pencil edging, and beautiful ceramic backsplash make this Revolution kitchen irresistible. There's also a butler's pantry with floating shelves, an undermount double bowl sink with Delta pull-down faucet, and a GE stainless steel appliance package that includes a gas range, dishwasher, built-in microwave with metal range hood combo, and French door refrigerator. But the kitchen isn't the only place you'll be cooking, with the addition of a 14 by 12 covered patio, conveniently just outside the dining area. The first floor also offers a versatile drop zone and closet storage area at the family entry for all those coats and bags, while a home office and powder room can be found just beyond. The main living areas are covered in long-lasting Mohawk RevWood Plus flooring. Upstairs, on the second floor, the expansive owner suite offers a getaway atmosphere and features a luxury bath with double bowl vanity with granite top, subway tile walk-in shower with frameless glass door, and huge whirlpool tub to soak your cares away. There's also a large walk-in closet with plenty of shelving. The home boasts 3 additional bedrooms on the second floor, a centralized laundry area with folding counter, cabinetry, and drop-in sink, and a versatile loft space. Completing the second floor, the secondary full bath features a double bowl vanity with cultured marble, shower, and white ceramic tile floor, while the bedrooms and loft have lush Mohawk carpet. Because Jagoe Energy Smart Homes are substantially more efficient, you'll save thousands on utility costs in the years ahead thanks to the high-efficiency air conditioning, gas furnace, and programmable thermostat. The classic exterior is a stunning combination of cultured stone and vinyl siding with decorative board and batten accents. And the curb appeal is matched by the peace of mind of a 30-year dimensional shingle roof, along with a 210 homebuyer's warranty, giving you 10 years of structural protection. With Jagoe's 8 decades of experience and over 2,700 square feet of modern luxury living, this new home awaits your growing family. Talk to a Jagoe consultant today because, best of all, with Jagoe, this luxury is affordable. Jagoe, where life happens.